So in the previous lecture, guys, you formatted the text here, you made it as beautiful as you want, and now it's time to animate. But there are a couple of decisions you need to take. The first decision is to animate or not the background of the text. I'm not the kind of guy who will animate the background of the text. I find it very ugly. Unless the background is just a strip, I'm moving it from left to right, yeah, maybe. So you could start animating with the background and put the background off. I prefer to work with the background off. Then come to generator and use a solid to create a background. I'll show you in this lecture. The next decision that you have to make is the duration of the clip, and that's very important. If you right click, you have change clip duration or Control D. Now notice this clip is 5 seconds. That's fine. So 1 second for the text to come in, 3 seconds for the viewer to see and read the text, hopefully he's a clever viewer, and 1 second to take the text out. So animation in, stable, animation out. So I click change, I'm okay with 5 seconds. Every graphic clip is composed of 2 tabs, at least 2 tabs. You have the text, which means the content. Sometimes you will have Fusion, and you might have OpenFX if you like. And you have the video. The video is like this clip is an entity by itself, is a video within the timeline. And it's better to animate from over here. If you come to the text, you can animate position within the text, zoom and rotation angle. But then you can also double up with some animations from here. That's cool, complicated, but not so useful, by the way. You're doing video editing, you're not in motion graphics. So let's use the video to start animating. We go to the first frame, that's semicolon. I will use shift right arrow to jump 1 second forward. I'll go to video. And let's say here I start with the position. I will keyframe the position. Go back to the first frame, that will be semicolon, and then move the Y. Here you are. You can move it just up like this. Okay, you notice how it jumps. That's why I like using the on-screen controls. I'm gonna take it and put it up just over here. Now, if I move down the X, I'll come back and put it at 0. Now, 525 is nice. I like round numbers. So 500 will work nice. Now, if I play the animation, Alt X, here you are, it's coming down very nicely. Of course, I need to create an ease out. So I will select this keyframe and then right click and say smooth it. Then I have the bar here, you remember, and the small dot is just over here, the one for the frames. I'll just drag it down. Notice it has jumped. If you play now your animation from in to out, not bad, it's sitting very nicely. Now let's take it out. So we will go to the last frame, shift left arrow to move 1 second backward, come back to video, and let's take it out with the zoom. So I will keyframe the zoom here, so it's stable. Then I'll go to the last frame, that's apostrophe, and then put the zoom to 0. Let's play and see exactly if you like it. Okay, we need it to render a bit. My computer is overworked. Okay, not bad. Let's remove the controls and see it. Cool. I will stop it here. Then open the keyframes and scroll it down. Notice I have zoom X and zoom Y. Let's open the curve editor. I will select these 2 keyframes, 1 and 2. So I press shift and selected the second one. Just come over here and make them a ease out. Here you are. So they have both ease out. Okay, you can see the X is eased out and the Y is eased out. Fine, let's close them both. We know what they're gonna do. Play our animation. Here you are. Not bad at all. Now let's add a background. I will come to generators, okay, and there is a solid background. This is just one single solid color, very much in use. Click and drag and put it under. So I want it at the same time as the text clip. So I'll click and just, adjust it the way it's supposed to be. Select the background and give it a name. That will be nice. Let's say background text. Come to color and change to color to something beautiful. Nope, nope, nope. Okay, you can play like me, or you can be serious. Just choose the right color. Okay, I'm gonna put it over here. I hope you can see it well. And that's okay. Now, if I play, it's pretty nice, but the background is really not moving at all. And somehow, if I come over here, it doesn't work. It's just a cut. So how I'm gonna fix that? Well, usually this is what I do. I will take the text clip up, take the background up, and then come to transitions and mainly use the blur dissolve on both. So on the video and the background. Now notice the effect here. I'm gonna take it to over here and play it. Here you are. Okay, we need to give it some time to render. It's becoming blue as you notice. Not bad at all. It's pretty beautiful, right guys? So actually you really have created a title or an outro here, DaVinci Resolve 15. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. I hope you come over and create a nice outro for yourself and add more text or remove text, and maybe you add some clips over here to say bye bye or of you saying bye bye, whatever you like, guys. Okay, so I expect you to do this assignment here to create your outro, and I will see you in the next lecture.